At Ultro Building Systems, innovation drives us. We solve design challenges for builders and architects, like the Shadowline Jamb. Traditional timber jambs require up to 10 steps for installation, making them time-consuming and prone to issues. That's why we introduced our Euro Jamb Shadowline Jamb 2.0, a one-piece aluminum design that's easy to install and highly durable. With just 3 steps, position, screw fix, and set, it's installed in a fraction of the time. It integrates seamlessly with Shadowline skirting, creating a continuous, sleek 10mm shadow line throughout the space. Made from corrosion-resistant aluminum, Euro Jamb SLJ series offers a long-lasting, flawless finish. Compatible with various hinges, it fits any project, from homes to high-rise apartments. At nearly half the price, it's cost-effective and fast to install, saving you both time and money. Choose Euro Jamb SLJ series by Ultro Building Systems, where innovation meets seamless design.